The Colosseum is the most emblematic of all, but it is not the only one. Roman amphitheaters have become one of the most recognizable architectural symbols of the Roman Empire. Its true social dimension, however, can only be understood when one key question is addressed. What was its capacity? If this topic interests you, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Knowing more about the history of Roman amphitheaters helps us to better understand the culture of ancient Rome and its impact on today's society. Calculating the capacity of amphitheaters offers a way to measure the real reach of violent shows in Roman society. A study signed by S. Heath and published in Journal of Ancient History and Archaeology offers an answer to that question, integrating archaeological data and reproducible statistical methods. Roman amphitheaters are permanent oval buildings that have a central sand and continuous grades. This definition is essential to avoid distortions in the calculation and ensure comparability between different structures. These buildings were designed to host violent shows such as gladiators' fights and public executions. The experience in an amphitheater was intense, thanks to the visual closeness and the enveloping disposition of the public. The number of known Roman amphitheaters ranges from 260 to 280. The 2nd century AD was the moment of greatest concentration, with about 250 amphitheaters in use simultaneously. Its development began in the late Republican era, especially in southern Italy. It is important to emphasize that not all amphitheaters operated at the same time. Some were replaced by larger buildings, while others fell into disuse. This implies that any global figure should be interpreted as an estimate. The Colosseum of Rome had an estimated capacity of at least 50,000 spectators, but most amphitheaters were more modest, with capacities between 10,000 and 11,000. The average capacity was around 10,900 viewers, reflecting regional differences. The capacity of many amphitheaters is not directly documented. The study uses a statistical method known as nearest neighbors K to estimate capacities based on sand size and outer dimensions. Adding the known and estimated capabilities, the total capacity of the Roman amphitheaters stands at around 3 million seats. This reveals the importance of these buildings in the urban and political life of the Roman Empire. Italy stands out with more than 40% of the total capacity of amphitheaters. Regions like Campania and Lazio have the highest density. North Africa and other areas also present figures, although lower than those of Italy. Calculating the approximate number of spectators allows us to rethink the role of mass leisure in the cultural integration of the Roman Empire. The unequal presence of amphitheaters invites us to nuance the vision of Roman experience.